Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing or a first impression of my new light for YouTube. I recently bought a new light. I don't know if you've noticed in my recent videos how nicely lit my videos are now. Hello. I bought the Neewer ring fluorescent lights on eBay and it was only $47.96, so it was quite cheap. It was quite cheap because I saw a lot of lights that were actually, they started from like $100. I decided that I would buy a light because I live in Florida and Florida doesn't have the best lighting. For a while I was using my window, so I would have to like film at certain times, and like I couldn't film at night or anything or anytime when it was dark because there was no light. And I couldn't just use my indoor light because it just was not good lighting. So the best lighting in my opinion is obviously you know, sunlight, window. I call it window light for some reason, but it's sunlight. And Florida, it can be, in Florida it can be like really sunny and bright and yeah, Florida. But other than that, it's very cloudy. It can be dark sometimes, like literally within seconds it can get dark. So no matter when I would film, like it would just all of a sudden get cloudy, and then I would have to be like, oh my god, my lighting is changing. I had to get something. I had to do something about this situation. So I actually made my own lights just by googling, and it cost me like maybe $10. I'll actually do a comparison of that light with this light, but as time went on I just decided maybe I should just get another light, like get something that's a little bit more better than the one that I made and that is a bit more consistent in lighting. So I decided to buy this Neewer light from eBay. It came in like a nice zipped bag, so you can kind of take out the light and attach the light to the stand. And the light is only 14 inches, so it's actually quite small, so that's probably why the price is not so steep. But even though it is so small, I have so much light. Like what you're seeing now is just the impact of my Neewer light. Like let me show you how it looks like when there's no light at all, like nothing. Okay, so there's no light. As you can see, you can probably barely see my face. I'm actually in front of a window, so it's like 7 o'clock. The sunset is just about to come and you can see it's just pitch black. A stand, and you can see it has adjustable lights. I can try to adjust the length of it if I wanted to. Like if I wanted to make it more up or down, I can. I can kind of just lock it in position like a tripod, and you know, just kind of twist the little knobs here, the little handles here. If you wanted to open it, wider, it can open wider. Quite simple to navigate, like you don't need instructions to figure it out. So it's good for those who are on the go, who need something quick and efficient. If you wanted to, like, you know, see, I took that off. If you want to put it on something else, you can. Or if you want to pack it away for like a trip, you can pack it away. It's easy to put on and take off when you're like traveling or you need the light on the go. As far as settings, it just has an on and off. And so it takes a little while for it to go on. Sometimes when I turn it on, I'm like, is it gonna turn on? But it does turn on. You can't really adjust the power of the lighting. You can just turn it on and off, so that's pretty much it. And this is how powerful the light is. You can see it's a fluorescent light. This is how long it kind of extends to. It's not too long, but it's just good enough to like plug into your room. So overall, my impressions are that I really love this light. I think it's a great investment as someone who is a smaller YouTuber who doesn't need a lot of lights and a lot of frills and things as a beginner. Not really a beginner, but a smaller YouTuber. This is like the perfect light for me. And I've seen other reviews on this light and they also enjoy it. But as far as like what I use it for, it works perfectly fine. If you're more like an advanced photographer or videographer, this could also come in handy if it's just something you need. You know, to travel with. It's really like, I feel like you can travel with this thing. It comes with a little travel pack that I showed. I love it because it's affordable. I love it because it's manageable. There's no technical qualifications that I need to handle this light. Literally, I just like put a light on the stand. I, you know, make sure it's all locked up in place, and then I turn it on. You know, I plug it in and I turn it on. And it's easy for me. It's good for like one room. I'm not sure if it's like a bigger studio, it probably would not be the best if it's like a bigger room, but look at my little area that I'm working with, so it fits perfectly fine. This is a great investment because you get to film videos whenever you want, whatever time of the day you can, especially if you are working, you know, during the day and you don't have enough time to get that little extra light in your videos. You can use this light. It's the best. So anyway, I have nothing else to say. If you guys really like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys also want to see the comparison or want me to show you my man-made lighting, my light ring, my man-made ring lights that I made. If you want to see like a comparison or you want to see how I made it, give it a thumbs up, because that's also another good option if you're just starting out and you don't know about whether YouTube is for you or not. Like, you just literally spend $10 like I did and make yourself a ring light. But other than that, you know, like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos. I got new videos every week, so don't miss out. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!